Okay.
Okay, what are we gonna douse Mr. Price in?
No, I want to
I think the nail polish remover. We're gonna douse him in nail polish remover. Does anybody want to say some words about Mr. Price the potato?
Bye, Mr. Price. I had you for 2 years. Now you're dying.
Mr. Price.
Oh, this is like really cold now.
You didn't know physics that well, but it was still fun being in class with you. Oh.
He's right on the very top.
On the very top, he's.
Oh, goodbye, Mr. Price.
Bye, Mr. Price.
Nothing's happening.
Nothing's really happening. Here, just keep dumping. Just dump stuff on there. Right.
Ooh, vanilla. Did the vanilla extract it?
Yeah, since it is alcohol, it makes it like...
Can I have some hot water?
Ooh, hey, there you go. He's roasting. We should take him out and put some sour cream and chives and butter
Now
on
that
him.
he's covered in...
Yep. Yep.
After he's covered with it.